Hello and welcome to Musto Invest in Cambodia. Today we will talk about the garments industry in Cambodia. And yes, the garment industry in Cambodia is very important for Cambodia's economy. In fact, 95% of all exports out of Cambodia are of garments. And this is something that Cambodia is also very famous for. In fact, last year, exports of garments to other parts of the world from Cambodia estimated around 5.7 billion US dollars in value. So, yes, Musto Invest in Cambodia can assist you if you need any export. Perhaps you need to get some shoes or winter clothing or t-shirts or shoes or any footwear, that we can assist you. We can provide you shipping from Sihanoukville port, and we can deliver containers if you need any orders of clothing from Cambodia. And yes, there are many factories in Phnom Penh. Recently, you cannot have a factory in the city, so factories are starting to be located a bit outside of the city to prevent the pollution levels. And yes, I can say that factory workers in Cambodia work fairly well, and some of them are professionals because this is an industry that is generating a lot of income for Cambodia. And the interesting part is that clothes that you get in Europe, most of them are branded clothes. They are clothes with a famous brand name, but these clothes that you buy in Europe, in the United States, in Australia, most of them come from Cambodia, come from Vietnam. So that's why Cambodia is very famous for its garments, and there are many professionals here in Cambodia that can make very quality clothes, and any specific brand can be done for your demand. The salary for a garment worker starts below $200 per month until a higher amount per month, depending on qualification and skills. But I can say that there are many experienced garment workers here in Cambodia, and there are many professionals. So if you want to make an order from a Cambodian factory, or perhaps you want to come and build or rent a factory, of course you can do it. And Musto Invest in Cambodia can provide any type of rental or property purchase for a factory, or if you want to order any type of clothing. Most shipping is done by sea, so from the Sihanoukville International Port, there are a few companies that operate, and it's fairly hassle-free. So if you're interested in making any order of clothes, shoes, winter clothing, summer clothing, anything related to clothes or garments, please feel free to contact Musto Invest in Cambodia on Facebook, our Instagram page, or on my WhatsApp number. Thank you so much. Like the video, share it to your friends, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification button. I'll see you next time.